Good morning, families and friends. You see, my topic for this morning is remember what God has done. I want you to imagine standing at the edge of the Jordan River and it's overflowing, rushing, impossible to cross. You see, yet God says, step in. And when the priest's feet touch the water, the river stops. The people of Israel walked across on dry ground. Now, in Joshua chapter 4, God tells them to take 12 stones from the riverbed and build a memorial. The question is why? The reason why is because God knew how easily we forget. You see, we forget His power when problems rise. We forget His faithfulness when fear speaks louder than faith. You see, those stones were more than piles of rocks. They were a story to be told to every child who asks, what do these stones mean? They were a reminder that when there was no way, God made a way. You see, the memorial was not for God's sake, but it was for theirs and for ours. You see, God wants us to build memorials in our lives too, not of stones, but of memory. You see, every answered prayer, every healing, every door He opened, write it down and share it and remember it, because the same God who brought you through yesterday will bring you through tomorrow. You see, Joshua chapter 4:24 says that all the people of the earth might know the hand of the Lord, that it is mighty. So when life gets tough and the waters rise again, look back at your stones of remembrance. They whisper a powerful truth. If God did it before, He can do it again. See, don't forget your Jordan. Remember your miracle. God bless.